Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 4 in the earliest cities. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Let's Recall. Question 1. Archaeologists know that cloth was used in the Harappan cities as actual pieces of cloth have been found in dash. The options are Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Harappa. Your time to choose. And the answer is Mohenjo-daro. So, archaeologists know that cloth was used in the Harappan cities as actual pieces of cloth have been found in Mohenjo-daro. Next question. The Harappans probably got copper from present day dash. The options are Oman, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka. Your time to choose. And the answer is Rajasthan. So, the Harappans probably got copper from present day Rajasthan. Next question. In Harappan cities, gold could have come all the way from present day dash. The options are Gujarat, Iran, Karnataka, Afghanistan. Your time to choose. And the answer is Karnataka. So, in Harappan cities, gold could have come all the way from present day Karnataka. Question 4. In Harappan cities, tin may have been brought from dash. The options are Karnataka, Afghanistan, Oman, Rajasthan. Your time to choose. And the answer is Afghanistan. So, in Harappan cities, tin may have been brought from Afghanistan. Question 5. In Harappan cities, precious stones was brought from present day dash. The options are Iran and Rajasthan, Gujarat and Afghanistan, Afghanistan and Rajasthan, Karnataka and Gujarat. Your time to choose. And the answer is Gujarat and Afghanistan. So, in Harappan cities, precious stones was brought from present day Gujarat and Afghanistan. Next question 6. Metal was important to Harappans to dash. The options are make tools and vessels, make ornaments, make weapons, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, metal was important to Harappans to make tools and vessels, make ornaments, and make weapons. Question 7. Writing was important to Harappans for dash. The options are writing manuscripts, preparing seals, kings kept records of their victories. All of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, writing was important to Harappans for writing manuscripts, preparing seals, and kings kept record of their victories. Question 8. the wheel was important to Harappans for dash. The options are use in vehicles for transport, used by potters to make pots, A and B, none of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, the wheel was important to Harappans for use in vehicles for transport and for use by potters to make pots. Next question, last question. The plough was important to Harappans for dash. The options are tilling the land for farming, making toys, A and B. None of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is tilling the land for farming. So, the plough was important to Harappans for tilling the land for farming. Okay, so in this video, we saw every point in the section Let's Recall. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section One of the Oldest Books in the World. I'll see you there.